Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Copilot Error Code, out of memory. The error reads, "This page is having a problem. Try coming back to it later. You could also open a new tab, refresh this page." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users engage in longer chat threads. It results in Copilot consuming large amounts of RAM and eventually crashing with the out-of-memory error. According to our research, this is a known and very common issue with Copilot. However, there is no official information or confirmed solution from the developers. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device. Once the system is restarted, reopen your browser and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try starting a fresh new chat instead of continuing a long thread. Longer chats appear to consume more memory and lead to the crash. So start a new session and check if this helps with the error. If the error continues, then make sure everything on your system is up to date. This includes your browser and operating system. Simply update them if needed and check for the error again. At last, if the error still persists, then we recommend reporting the issue to the Copilot team. Since there is no official fix available, reporting the error is the only option left. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.